am Heather Mulligan. I am the manager of Customer Clean Energy Solutions at Puget Sound Energy, and we're here in Poulsbo, Washington at Fishline Food Bank and Comprehensive Services. We're here to celebrate and dedicate a new solar energy system on the roof of the food bank. It's a 39 kilowatt solar energy system that will provide approximately 35% of their energy needs.
The solar grant is going to benefit Fishline not only by decreasing our environmental impact, it will also save us dollars that we have to spend on energy. And those dollars then can be reintroduced into the community to help provide essential services.
This project fits into our city vision because it highlights, first of all, our beloved Fishline, which is the main social service hub for all of North Kitsap County, but it demonstrates our responsibility to do the right thing, to move forward with renewable energy and to service people in sustainable ways. So it is absolutely part of what our vision is for Poulsbo.
This organization is an excellent example of the types of programs that we try to support through these grants. They provide services to their community, and the solar is a direct benefit to the organization. By reducing operational costs for this organization, they're able to put more money towards services and helping their community.
Fishline would like to thank Puget Sound Energy for awarding us this grant. We look forward to partnering with them in the future on many more endeavors to come.